Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about how is your wedding's next day for you. It's like to be what's happened to that day, very next day to your wedding. There are two piles. Which pile you are attracted most, choose that pile. I'm going to reserve pile number 1. For those who choose the pile number 1 or this Mate Vindhya reading, your first card is Ace of Swords in a reverse position. I think something is hiding from you. They are hiding something from you, and there is no clarity for that, and you are not going to know what it is, until the time has come. And yes, definitely there is something hidden over here, and maybe they don't want to begin new life with you. They don't want you in their life. They are not happy with you. They tell you very next day of your marriage. Okay, with this 3 of Pentacles, there are no one to help you in this situation. You are alone over here. You need help, but there is no one here to help you in this situation. You are alone. And I think that with this 3 of Pentacles, you have not done any search for in this relationship. Your parents have not done any search in this relationship. If this is if this is what it is, a compromise marriage. One is the love marriage and the other is from your parents. If they do it, then they will not do any search over this person or that, all of them, or about their family. They are not happy with you. They are not attracted towards you. They are not want you in their life. They are angry over this situation. They are not happy, and I think that you are also not happy in this situation. Maybe this is vice versa, and you are not happy with this situation, and you want to end this situation. And somebody is not happy over here, and they want to end this situation right now. And at the very next day of your marriage, you are telling that to all of them or your parents that I can't take it anymore. With this Emperor, you are not able to take a decision right now. Don't take any decision at that time, because you are not able to take a decision. You are very angry, you are very aggressive, and in that position nobody can take a right decision. So please don't take any decision over that time. That is not good, and you are not in your energy. You are not as powerful or not as wise to do anything over on that day. And you have to be think clearly. And with this 4 of Cups, you are not happy. You are thinking about someone else. This is, yes, you have to think carefully over here. And I think you are rejecting someone, or maybe they are rejecting you. This is the vice versa situation. Maybe you are rejecting them, and they, or maybe they are rejecting you. They are not happy with you. And this situation needs wisdom, knowledge. And with this 7 of Cups, I think you have the desire to reach towards something, or maybe some other one, or maybe that person. You want them in your life. You want to have a relationship with them, and they don't want it. You want to solve this problem, and your wishes are not going to fulfill with this 9 of Cups upside down. And you are going to lose this situation. Yes, definitely. Oops. Okay, with this tower card, this is a disaster card. Your home is going to break, and there is no hope for this. They or you don't want this relationship uh, going forward, and this is definitely ending over here. At the very next day, this situation will turn into the separation. You will see that this is a separation card, this is the divorce card. Shh. And yes, definitely they are going to towards this separation. And fairy of the green world, a natural world needs you. Yes, these people don't need you, but the natural world needs you. Maybe your parents need you, or you have to go to the park, to the greenery, to the forest, and treat nicely to the animals. And with this dolphin card, yes, with this dolphin card, sad experience, yes, you are going to have the sad experience. And dive deeply, think deeply, breath deeply. Deep thinkers use teeth to catch the fish. Good eaters need clear climate to their health. Clarity loving truth lovers, team members, intense bonds, work in teams. Cleverest know how to use tools. High intelligent get what they want. Complicated communicators, sensitive listeners, detect movements and know you're going to do every time. Focusing on you, judgment, information receiver. High sense, friendly, playfulness, joy, wonder, happiness, healers, balance, messenger of goddess, freedom, fun, full energy, manifesting magic. Breathe in fresh air, drink more water, join with nature, helpers, friend. Okay, you need helpers here. You have to go towards your parents, your lover, those who love you, and spend the time with them, and also spend the time with nature, and spend time with animals. Go and get some animals as a pet, and make some time with them, and be a stress free. And that's how you can forgive all this situation, forget all this situation. And this is the reading for you. I think this is very sad reading. I'm so sorry for you, but this is what I got from these cards for you. uh, um, um, oh, I hope you will get healed very soon. And if you want to know more about your situation, please go and watch my previous reading videos, or my videos in future. You will get some help from there surely. And to watch my new videos, you have to subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, so you can get my all readings and my all videos. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the reading number 2. For those who choose the reading number 2, your reading is um, your reading is that you are going to be heartbroken at the very second day of your marriage. You are going to know something about your relationship, or about your life partner. Maybe they have third party situation in their life, and this is going to reveal this at the second day of your marriage. And your heart is going to break because of this. Now you are, or they are juggling, or maybe you have this third party situation, and you are juggling about it, whether you are going with your husband or wife, or rather you are going to with someone else. And you are going to decide something over here. You are not able to decide anything, and you have to decide it soon, and wisely. And with the 8 of Pentacles, you have done a lot of work in this situation. You have spent a lot of time and a lot of money in this situation, and you now you want some some gain, some profit over it. And Knight of Cups. Yes, Knight of Cups. With this Knight of Cups, there's a man. Maybe this is your father or their father, your father-in-law, or that person. This is also that person, and they love you. They love you very much. They care about your very much. They want to do something for you. There is no clarity for this situation. There is no solution for this situation, this problem. And I think somebody is not thinking of you. They are not in love with you. They have no message for you, no love message, and you are begging to them, and they are giving you nothing. And your desires, your dreams, your wishes are not coming true over here. And with this Six of Pentacles, this is not this is a situation when one is only giving and the other is not doing anything. And you have to search a lot about this situation, or charity work you have to but there's I think there's also not no charity work, not helping anyone. With this Queen of Swords upside down, also you can't leave that person. You can't live with that person. You are stuck over here. What can I do now? I can't leave him or her. I can't live with her or him. I am stuck over here. You are not able to make a decision over here. And with this Wheel of Fortune card upside down, this is also the situation that you are very sorry sorry, you are very unlucky over this situation. You are mourning over here, and this is going to nowhere. Okay, with this stay optimistic. This card is also upside down, and there is no hope in this situation. And with this heart to heart conversation, and you both are not talking to each other. Maybe you both are only fighting and not going to see each other's face, not want to see each other's face. You are not talking to each other. You are not explaining um, your desires to each other. And there is a sea beacon fairy guidance, but where will it lead you? But where will it lead you? Yes, you have the guidance, but nobody knows that where will it lead you, is if this is good for you or bad for you. Nobody knows. And pig, I can this is the pig card, and they are very wealthy person, rich person, and they are not pure hmm, or what can I say? They are dirty person, not having a bath or something, and their co-workers or their friends are not good also. But they are or maybe you are the person. Something is over here, and that is not good. And that person don't want you in their life, or maybe this is you who don't want that person in your life. And there is no hope for this situation. Somebody love you, maybe their your father-in-law love you, so that why this marriage is going to happen. But nobody wants you in that situation, and very next day you are going to know that your heart is broken by this news. Okay, and this is the reading for you today. I have both readings, both sad readings, and I'm very sorry about it. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. If you want to know more about your situation, please go and check my previous videos, and you can watch my upcoming videos, my future videos, so you can get some help from there. And for that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get some help from there. Okay. And I hope you can get something from my previous or future videos, some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going to bye. See you next time.